one. Could you please go to this place? Of appreciation, we would like to give to Dr. Sase, and I would read it to you. Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development, Department of Science and Technology presents this certificate of appreciation to Dr. Chito F. Sase for having served as a resource person during the National and Technology Weeks Aqua Technology Forum with the team Makabagong Kabuhayan para sa Kamaynilaan, Aquaponics in an Urban Setting on July 27, 2014 at the SMX Convention Center, Malabesa Complex, Pasay City. Given this 27th day of 2014 at the SMX Convention Center, Malabesa Complex, Pasay City. Signed, Patricio S. Filon, Executive Director, Picard. Thank you very much. Ito po na yung ating mga question and answer. Ito ba ipararaffle itong dalawang ito? Ayan lang, kaya ang bubuhat. Hindi naman siguro.
Akin na to.
Kahapon po, ako ay may bisita doon sa hydroponics. At meron po akong dinatanggihan na mag-asawa. Sa yung pong kanyang yung lalaki ay talagang hindi po makatanggi doon sa kanyang asawa, kaya sabi niya, Dad, I want this now. You have to buy this now. Kaya po alam niyo, binayaran niya yung nag 50% down payment po siya babayaran. Ganun, naroon mama, 8,700 po. Actually, dapat 900 yun pero kung gusto niyo po yan, di-discountan namin kayo. Dapat 9,000 pala dapat siya. So, dapat po bibigyan na lang namin kayo ng discount kung marami ang order. Mga 8,999 na kung siguro. Kung marami pong order. Pero ito po, aquaponics ay i-display po namin sa Picard sa Los Baños. So, wala naman pong problema pagka o-order kayo, pwede naman natin gawin. Kung ano po ay alam naman po yung address ko nandun sa leaflet natin, may email.
Ready na po tayo sa ating question and answer. Sino po ang unang maghahagis? Sir.